Imagine a home that surpasses your expectations and brings your dreams to life. Join me as we explore 35 Almond Way located in Bellmere. This home offers more than just comfort. It embodies a lifestyle of dreams and a future filled with endless possibilities. As we step into this stunning two-story home, you'll immediately notice the attention to detail and the seamless blend of luxury and functionality. The beautifully landscaped, low-maintenance garden and the fully fenced 643 square meters estate offer both beauty and privacy. The journey begins in the welcoming foyer, a space that radiates warmth and sets the stage for the rest of the home. The ground floor hosts the master bedroom, a sanctuary of peace and comfort, offering effortless access and a quiet escape from the more active areas of the home. With its large walk-in robe, elegant ensuite, and air conditioning, it's a retreat designed for relaxation and ease. The heart of this home beats in its modern kitchen. With its generous bench space, ample storage, and light-filled open-plan design, it's a place where meals and memories are made. The open-plan lounge, air-conditioned for your comfort, seamlessly integrates with the dining area. A separate laundry and an additional separate downstairs toilet add layers of convenience, making everyday living a breeze. As we ascend to the upper level, the comfort continues. Here, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, featuring built-in robes and ceiling fans, each providing a personal retreat for family or guests. Notably, one of these bedrooms offers the versatility to be transformed into a dedicated office space, catering to your work-from-home needs or creative pursuits. In addition to these 3 bedrooms, you'll also discover a spacious and flexible second living area. This is perfect for a children's playroom or a cozy family lounge, enhancing the versatility to suit your family's dynamic. The features of this home extend to its outdoor spaces and extra conveniences. The 5,000-liter water tank and garden shed cater to your practical needs, while the covered outdoor entertainment area invites you to enjoy memorable gatherings. The large side access is a bonus for those who need space for a caravan, trailer, boat, or truck. The custom-installed fiber to the premise, also known as FTTP, offers ultra-fast internet speeds up to 800 megabits per second, a luxury in a neighborhood where others are limited to 30 to 50 megabits per second. The voice-controlled automated lighting adds a layer of modern sophistication plus convenience to your daily life. The location of this home is a perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. Just a kilometer from the new Bellmere shopping center, close to schools, parks, and healthcare facilities, it offers everything you need for a balanced lifestyle. Professionally cleaned both inside and out, and complemented by beautifully refreshed gardens, this home is move-in ready for you and your family. Seize the opportunity to claim 35 Almond Way, Bellmere, as your new home. Contact us today to arrange your viewing and step into the dream that awaits to become your reality.